Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and once again I welcome you to a wonderful video. I'm standing right after white roses. Yeah, that's the rose plant. Wow, such a big one. And these roses are so beautiful here. Okay, well, this is Madian Valley and I'm staying at Madian Hotel. I'm on vacation, and as usual I'm making videos for you. Whenever I go on vacation I make a lot of videos. Okay, well guys, let's make a start. In this video I'm going to tell you about the type of audios that we have in IELTS listening, and this understanding will help you prepare for your listening test, and I'll also tell you how to prepare yourselves for these parts of your IELTS listening. Let's make a start. As far as IELTS listening part 1 is concerned, part 1 is always a basic dialogue where two people talk, two people speak, and they exchange information. And these two people are sometimes agent from house renting agency, property dealer, right? Someone giving information about a language course, someone providing information about a job recruitment agency, and the other person is always a candidate who wants to get information, who wants to find a job, who wants to get admission, right? Anything like that. Now they have given some questions and the answers are in the conversation of both. Sometimes answer, for example, what sort of house are you looking for? Now you need to listen to the student carefully who is in need of renting a house or accommodation, right? And if the person says, well, the rent is from 500 to 900 pounds, but this house will cost you 700 pounds. Now you need to listen to house renting agent. Your answer is there. So answer may be with the speaker A or with speaker B, but it depends on your understanding of the questions. Along with the audio, there is a question booklet, and for part 1, on the question booklet, mostly it's one word and or a number. One word and or a number. What does it mean? It means answer may contain a single word along with a number, or it can be a single number without a word. Okay, very simple, crystal clear definition of one word and or a number. With one word, if you write any extra word, for example, answer is flower, and you write a flower, your answer is wrong. For example, answer is 10 books. 10 is a number, books is a word. And if you write 10 nice books or anything extra like that, your answer is going to be wrong. Okay? So it is very important that you identify the question booklet and see what sort of information is required. Sometimes because of writing something extra, your right answer becomes wrong. And this is very, very important for you guys. Okay? Now let's proceed from here. As far as the audio is concerned, first they will give you time to read questions 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6, right? And they give you almost half minute to read the questions. Now when you are given half minute to read the questions, always remember there are two types. One is question, or one is information with the question, and one is information without question. So when you find information, for example, notes completion, you will find some notes without question, and they are for you to track the audio. And you will find some notes with the questions. Now you have to go through all the notes which are without question, skim read them and underline one clue word, and that clue word will work like signpost for you to decide where the audio is, to synchronize with the audio while you're listening test. So notes without questions and underlining a clue word, a signpost word, will actually help you locate the answer when the answer comes, right? And where there is the question. Now for example, you're doing notes completion, one word and or a number, IELTS listening part 1. So before the notes, whatever they have written, that thing, they will use synonym of that thing. Now they do three things. They use synonyms, they use paraphrasing, they use rewording. For example, if the word is bottle, Now, bottle is a proper word of English vocabulary. Instead of bottle, sometimes they may use the word container. Now, container and bottle, they are same words, they are similar. And otherwise, what is paraphrasing? Now, paraphrasing is they will not use the word bottle, they will not use the word container, they will use the word a plastic made thing which is used to hold liquids. Okay, yes, sometimes it can be as stupid as this as well. So you need to understand the language of question booklet and the similar language which is spoken in the audio and this is how you can find your answers easily. After the break, audio will continue and they will say, now you have half a minute to read questions 6 to 10. Read questions 6 to 10. There will be a dialogue. Listen to both speakers. And when you read the question, you need to decide this answer is going to be with the person giving information, for example student. This answer is going to be with house renting agency. This answer is going to be with the transport officer, and this answer is with the traveler, and all that stuff. Okay, thank you so much. We also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best from this beautiful Madian Valley. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.